No smash, no crowbar, just a handle that turns and a stranger's already inside. Give me 60 seconds, I'll give you 3 moves tonight that stop most walk-ins cold. Legal, cheap, UK realistic. Then we build your 8-second drill so your family knows exactly what to do, even half asleep. We finish with a 5-minute nightly lap that will make your home say one thing. This will take time. Welcome back to Charlie Survival. Britain used to be a high trust society. Doors on the latch, windows open on summer nights, keys left in ignition for just a minute. We didn't notice when it shifted. It wasn't one big moment, it was tiny gaps, habits that felt safe until they weren't. Today's risk isn't a heist at 3 AM, it's casual boldness, a handle tested in daylight, a step into your hallway because a habit left a gap. This isn't fear, it's ownership. Your home is as safe as what you do tonight. Let's do it. 3 moves tonight. Quick wins equal early payoff. Move 1. Keys vanish. £0. 10 seconds. No more keys in the bowl by the door. No car key silhouettes behind frosted glass. Put them in a drawer away from the letterbox, out of sight. Do it now if you can. I'll wait. Good. That's win number 1. Move 2, side gate becomes work. £0 to £15, 2 minutes. Latch it. If you've got a drop bolt near ground level, use it. 2 actions to open is twice the hassle. Pull the bins away from fences, no step up for free. Move 3, backdoor chime talk. £10 to £15, 3 minutes. Stick a magnetic chime inside your back door. When your door opens, it pings. You hear it upstairs. They know that you heard it. Cheaper than a Domino's pizza, and I've added it to the home survival section on my Amazon kit list in the description. It takes 10 minutes tonight and your home just got harder. Why these work? Psychology and control. Most intruders aren't masterminds, they're opportunists. They want quiet and speed. Your 3 moves removes both. From the pavement, your home now whispers, this will take time. Opportunists hate time. The 8-second drill, staged, emotional, simple. This is not about a showdown, it's about safety. Avoid, retreat, call 999. UK law allows reasonable force if you honestly believe you or others are in imminent danger. Reasonable means proportionate. Often your best defense is a closed door and a calm call. This is educational content, general information, not legal advice. The drill, recognize the sound, door, steps, drawer. Call safe if the route is clear. Everyone moves to the primary safe room, or hold if it isn't. Everyone ducks into the nearest lockable room. Move smart, keep to walls, don't cross sight lines. Door shut and wedged or heavy items behind it. 999 on speaker, address first. Through the door, speak calm. Police called, please leave. Stay put until instructed. No chasing. Never cross an intruder's path to gather. If anyone's cut off, they choose hold and lock where they are. You regroup by phone, not by running. Say the words aloud now. Safe, hold. Good, your brain remembers words it has heard. Kids version, emotion and empowerment without fear. Give kids a script that is simple and winnable. 2 words, safe, hold. 3-step rule, if they can reach their bedroom door in 3 steps, go in, shut, wedge, quiet voices. Jobs, 1 holds the torch at the ceiling to light the room without advertising to the street. 1 sits with the pet, everyone stays away from the door. Practice like a game, timer, high fives. You don't need brave kids, you need rehearsed kids. Rehearsed is brave. Doorstep safety. This part is for anyone at your door who says they're from an organisation, utilities, trades, council, building management, delivery, charity, even officials. The goal is to keep the door closed while staying polite and versify on your terms. To door viewer, intercom, roleplay, calm and steady. I can't open the door, but I can help from here. This keeps the solid barrier closed while sounding polite. Do you have ID and a job number? Real workers expect this, fakes often stumble. If I'm not sure, I'll call your company using a number I look up. It stops scams that give you fake numbers, you verify independently. Deliveries, still through the closed door. Please leave it on the step, thanks. Wait until they step back, then pick it up. It protects your hallway and avoids push-ins. Night knocks. You don't have to answer. If you do, keep it on your terms. Lights behind you off, door closed, phone in hand. This limits what they can see and you're ready to call if needed. Special cases. If they say that it's an emergency, tell them that you will call 999 for them now. You help without opening the door. If it's police or officials, ask them to show their warrant card. Say you'll verify by calling 101. Use 999 if you feel threatened or it's truly urgent. Flats and HMOs. Don't let anyone follow you in or buzz in without proof. If they live there, they'll understand. If they don't, you've just kept everyone inside safer. Say it once with me. I can't open the door, but I can help from here. Perfect. Lights, cameras, habits. Trio that works. Lights, dusk to dawn at the front so your house number is visible to emergency services. PIR at side and back to expose approaches. No floodlight fireworks, just polite notice. Cameras, one good doorbell cam for faces and audio at the door. One fixed cam at the side and back approaches. Store locally or to a reliable cloud. Keep angles neighbor friendly. If angles capture beyond your boundaries, add a small CCTV in operation notice. Habits. Lock every time, even for a minute. Windows shut and locked at night and when you're out. Keys out of sight. Bins pulled back from fences. Night curtain discipline so you choose what shows. Habits beat gadgets. Gadgets can fail. Habits are secure. Your habits tell opportunists, not here. Windows, sliders and sound. Quiet is the enemy. Windows. Lock all ground floor openings and those over flat roofs. Consider security film or secondary glazing on big panels. Doesn't make them invincible, but it slows entry. Remove or secure ladders lying around the garden. Store tools. Don't gift access. Sliders and French doors. Bar in the track for sliders. Sash jammers for French doors. Anti-lift blocks so panels can't be popped out. Sound. Gravel alongside approaches and behind the gate. Magnetic chime on back door and shed. A simple brace that squeals if forced. A quiet break-in is a successful break-in. Give your home a voice. You're not scaring anyone, you're stealing their confidence. When you have a chance, walk your side path in the dark. Do you hear the gravel? If yes, great. If no, that's a £20 fix. The 5-minute nightly lap, 9 tricks, real calm. Front to back. Both locks, letterbox guard, keys out of sight, windows, ground floor closed and locked, trickle vents are okay for fresh air, side gates latched and bolted, latch shielded, bins pulled away, back door, main lock plus your secondary device which is your chime, test it. Upstairs, no climb points, bathroom windows shut, lights, dusk to dawn working, small hall night light for you, tech, cameras armed, phones charging, old phone in the safe room. When you leave your home, quickly check your doors, windows and the gate. When you come back, close the gates first, then lock the door. Weekend reset. Test PIRs, tighten a latch, swap dim batteries, check CCTV footage for anything unusual you flagged in the week. If it still happens, recovery, evidence, reset. Drawing, shout safe, route clear or hold nearest door room. 999 on speaker, address first, talk through the door calmly, police called, please leave. Stay put until instructed, no chasing inside or out. After, wait until officers clear the house, preserve evidence, don't wipe handles, move tools or tidy the mess. Timeline within an hour. What, when, where, who, direction of travel, any words you heard. Tell a trusted neighbor so you get extra eyes tonight. With kids. Tell them you practice, you did it, and you're safe and that the police helped. Then one normal thing. Toast, hot chocolate, familiar show. Normal is medicine. Next day reset. Debrief calmly where entry happened, what's failed, what's worked. Upgrade the weakest point first. Letterbox, gate, back door, window latches. Practice one safe and one hold drill so the last memory isn't panic. Flats, rentals and older homes. Treat the building door like your front door, no tailgating. Use viewer and intercom, help from behind the barrier. Internal chime on your flat door and a wedge or brace that leaves no marks. Curtains or blinds control what the corridor can see. Portable wedges, sash jammers and no drill magnetic chimes. Ask landlord for strike place reinforcement and letterbox guard. It's cheap and high impact. At the end of the tenancy, a short note with what you added and remove keeps goodwill. Older homes. Solid doors can have weak frames. Reinforce that strike plate with long screws into solid timber. Multi-sted locks should turn smoothly, if not repair or replace. Large panes, add film or secondary glazing to slow entry. You don't need permission to build habits. Design the house to help you so you don't have to help it. Community without drama, social proof and calm. Learn 2 neighbor names this week. Swap gate after dark rules by text like if ours is open, text me. Share practical updates, not blame. Time, entry points, what happened. Keep camera angles neighbor friendly. Return borrowed tools better. Oiled, clean, so goodwill grows. A safe street isn't made of one fortress. It's a row of ordinary homes doing the same small things. When 5 houses use light well, there's 6 benefits. Security scales sideways. Mindset and law. Boundaries equal safety. Remember, UK law allows reasonable force if you honestly believe you or others are in imminent danger. Reasonable means proportionate. So a locked door, a wedge and a calm voice through wood are often your best defense. Seasonal and weekly cadence, automation of safety. Weekly. Test PIRs, chimes and wedges. Oil one hinge that doesn't need to squeak. Tighten one latch. Walk the side path at night. Do you hear the gravel? Monthly. Check strike plates. Are the long screws still tight? 2-minute safe hold refresh. Seasonal. When the clocks change, swap batteries in sensors, alarms, torches. Winter. Sealed drafts in the safe room. Place a blanket. Summer. Windows are tempting. Lock when you leave the room for the night. Rituals beat reminders. Attach each check to something you already do. Midnight, Sunday roast, first cup of tea. 5 common mistakes and fixes in one line. Keys in sight, move to a drawer tonight. Side gate ajar, self-close and latch. Shield the latch. Dead PIR, replace the bulb or unit. Test at dusk. Sliders unsecured. Add bar in track or anti-lift block. No plan. Write safe hold on a sticky note inside the safe room door. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Fix one, then the other. By next week, your home will feel different. The New Britain without drama. This isn't about living in fear, it's about living prepared. Most intrusions are a test of opportunity. Remove the opportunity, remove most of the risk. From the streets, your place looks noticed. At the boundary, it's fiddly to pass. At the door, it's lit and layered. Inside, you have an 8-second plan. Every night, you run a 5-minute lap. Simple, repeatable, effective, and it lets you sleep. If this helped, tap like so more people on your street see it. Over 90% of you aren't yet subscribed, so subscribe so you get access to the next video and YouTube doesn't hide my channel from you. For level-headed tips and drills, join the Facebook group Charlie Survival and stay connected at equilor.com. If you want to take home security to the next level, I highly recommend watching this video about how to make your home invisible. Stay united, stay safe, stay wild. Charlie Survival signing off.